Hello, I'm the Soda Gamer and I'm going to play for you guys. Well, you press the button and guess what? Today is my YouTube 1 year anniversary. Yay! Wow! Yeah, I know, that's great. Yeah. So I finally got a face cam. As you maybe can see here. My face, here. Okay, let's do this. 4chan is removed from the internet forever and all users are banned from the internet, but Tumblr becomes world's renowned and respected. I will not. Never in my life. Never press that button. You get an A on every final X you take. Your favorite TV show is cancelled forever. I got B in every final exam, so no. Bad. Okay. You will be the most beautiful person ever. I'm already am. But a horrible and extra and self-esteem issues that stops you from doing all of things. I got a new haircut. What? You haven't seen my old haircut because I had no face cam? Well then that's bad for you. You should really see my old haircut. Think about that. I will not. I haven't pressed any button now. What? Oh, you become rich and famous. You change genders. But I would be the most nice looking girl ever. Okay. It was good. It was good. Your orgasms are more intense than anything you ever felt. You can only have one every other year. I shall just press the button because of reasons. Good, I guess. You'll get the best computer of all time. You'll never touch or see a console or arcade machine. No, I have a good computer. That's all that matters. That was bad. Star Wars Episode 7 turns out to be the best Star Wars to date. Well, Star Wars 7 was a pretty good movie. I seen it. I saw it only a week ago. George Lucas decided to make another prequel trilogy. Yeah. It was a good movie. Why did I press bad? It was good. Okay. You will receive the best television package with video and demand for free. My Little Pony can some on other channels at only time. Nope. No. No. You get a yacht, but you have to become a no. I love me too much. You can manufacture the best meth ever. You have cancer. No. 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 You meet your soulmate. He will never marry. First, he. Second, you don't need to marry someone. He. He. Wait, no, he. That he part, no. It's okay if a he, like, if two men like each other, but I'm not that kind of person. You will be given $1 million, but you must donate it to yeah, why not? It was good, yeah. You get the most followers on Twitter. You can never use I don't have Twitter. No, I don't have it. Bad. 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 No. You will make $20,000 a... Did I press that? Once a week, a homeless man will be... Did I press or did I not press that button? Because no. 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 You would be the most popular person in your town. The only social network you can use should be... I already am the most popular person in our city. I don't live in a town. I live in a city. No. That was bad. You learn that what the fox says. You can never again talk. Just Google fox sound and you will know what it sounds like. Come on. Everyone knows that a fox says Aki Aki Akio. Yeah. Rule number 1. World. You will save thousands if you press the red button. You will die afterwards. How will that 1,000 person die? Maybe they all are like 176 years old. Depends. If they're old, no. They would already. Maybe I just say them one time and then the day after that they die. No. No. But and yeah, you get married with the most beautiful woman in the world. You get 100 children, which 100. Oh, Jesus, that's many. The second beautiful, most beautiful woman on earth will be good for me. Half-Life 3 comes out. You can't play it and can only watch little kids play it without edit. No. No. If I can't play it, no one shall. You cannot die in combat. You are extremely easy to rage and there is a way to fix that. That's how I am now. It's so much and I will rage. And when I'm angry, there's impossible to beat me. Every time you make a pun, it becomes 10% more attractive. Every pun must be made via me. Okay, I will leave that one to you guys. And also, in the comments below, you maybe would make a I have a competition. Make a smiley, down there. Make a smiley, not emojis or something like that. You can make them by numbers, letters, stuff like that. Down in the comments below, and the video I will post in 1 week, I will at some random time say that person's YouTube name. That a deal? Yeah, I think so. Okay. That was all I had for this video. Why not like, subscribe, or what do you think? Will you want me to play more of this? Then wrote down that in the comments below as well. And always remember, be careful.